I'm Andy from Big Bada Boom, and today we're going to take a look at our self-storage space estimator. But first, let's have a look at the self-storage space calculator or estimator that you've probably seen before. Now, if you have a self-storage website or you've been on one, you'll probably be very familiar with this storage calculator as per the SSAA one that we see here on the screen. The user goes through, puts in how many items they have of the different items around their house. It's a very long form and lots of information they need to go through, and at the bottom it gives them a cubic meterage total to tell them that's how much space they would need in their storage unit. Now the problem with this is that while it's great it gives them an information on the storage capacity required, it doesn't really allow them to take the next step. Now remember, you've probably paid for the user to get to your website through a Google ad, a Facebook ad or Yellow Pages, so you've paid for them to be there, but the calculator or estimator that they're using doesn't really allow them to sort of take that next step. They're there, they're keen, you might as well get them to sign up on the spot. Why not? That's what websites are for. So let's take a look at our new self-storage space estimator that changes the way that this operates and makes it a bit easier for them to convert. So we're just running this on our website. To have a look, just visit our website. You can see the link there at the top, and under web and marketing, come down to self-storage marketing and then across to storage space estimator. Now imagine this is your own website. We've just put it on our website as a demo, and let's go and take a look at how it works. So when it first loads, it just comes up with this living room here, and in the drop down the user can select the various items that they have. So maybe they have 4 couches, maybe they also have 7 armchairs. It's a big house. And they can then go through and add additional rooms to their calculator and then go and say that they have microwaves and that kind of thing. Maybe even also a barbecue in the kitchen or 2. So what it does, it allows them to go through and add rooms as well as add items to each room, and they can add as many rooms as they want. Now keep in mind that the room thing just makes it easy for them to go around the house with their phone or their iPad and make it easy for them to go and fill this in. It doesn't have to be a room for each part of the house. For example, if there's a business customer looking to store, they can just put in, storeroom or whatever, anything they like, and then they can go and add all of their archive boxes to the list or tea chests, and again it would work out the total cubic meterage required. So the room thing is just there to make it easy for them to use the calculator. You can of course remove rooms and remove items from rooms as well, just to make it easy to go through and work out the total. Now you'll see that as we adjust the quantities of different things here, maybe we have 40 barbecues for example, it will go and change the amount of space required in their storage unit. And you can see here that based on this cubic meter capacity calculation here, we can either have a single unit, a medium unit, or a large unit that suits those needs. Now if they've got a lot of things, for example 60, or maybe let's make it 90 barbecues for example, you'll see that the space has gone up as it should, and now only a large single unit will suit this storer's needs. So it is adaptive, it sort of shows you what could be rented based on their space. If I change that, of course, now we've got the medium one back. If I drop that one right down to 1 barbecue, now we have 3 unit types that suit their needs. Now what happens over on the right hand side here, you'll see we've got these different buttons that appear for the various different unit types. We've got Inquire, Book, and this last one has Inquire and Book both at the same time. The reason we've got those different combinations there is just to show you that you can have different buttons for different types. You can show and hide the different options depending on what you've got available. Now if I were to inquire about this small unit, say yep, that interests me, I want to go ahead with one of those and make an inquiry, I could click the Inquire button. I'll just show you what happens when that goes through. It would then open up the storage inquiry form. Now pretend again this is on your website, we've just got a demo running here, and you'll notice that because I clicked on the Inquire button next to the small unit, it's pre-filled that here on this drop down. So the storer doesn't have to remember, oh, what size did the calculator tell me I needed? It's automatically selected that there. Same as if I were to go on the large unit and hit Inquire now. There you go, it's automatically chosen the large one for us. It makes life easy for the storer. Now what happens if I hit book now? Well, what that does is it links through to Stormen online reservations or even Stormen online move-ins if you've got one of those two fantastic online tools on your website, and actually allow the storer to reserve a unit of that size or even book one and pay the deposit online as well. So you've got lots of options there with the Stormen system. If I were to click one of the book now buttons, what it does is it would take me normally to the Stormen online reservations or move-in system that runs from your storage facility and allow the storer to make that booking. Of course, again, this is just a demo running on our website, so we don't have that function, but it would normally take them there, and that's what it looks like as shown. So there you have it. That's our enhanced self-storage space estimator. If that's of interest to you and you have a storage website, or even if we've built one for you, because we do build storage websites, get in touch. The number's on the screen, or visit our website and go through to the contact page. It's nice and easy to use. It links in with Stormen if you've got it, but if not, you can still certainly use the functionality provided on the inquiry stage. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed seeing our new space estimator.